बट स्टॉक मार्केट में ऐसा होता है ना, मतलब कि आपको समझ में आएगा चीज़ें, समझने में बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. आपको पता है कि ये पत्थर है, उस पत्थर से आप एक नहीं कम से कम 10 बार ठोकर खाओगे. फिर धीरे धीरे समझ में आएगा कि आपको कैसे इस चीज़ को हैंडल करना है.
Hello and welcome back to Paisa Bolta Hai. This is Mridanjali Raval. Today we will explore the world of options. Our today's guest is Vimal K. So, let's begin. Hi Vimal, thank you so much for joining us on Paisa Bolta Hai. How are you doing today?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. So glad to have you on our show. शो की शुरुआत करते हैं आपके जर्नी से. So, can you start by telling us a little bit about yourself and your journey in the world of options trading and research analysis?
I'm Vimal Mutha, a SEBI registered research analyst from Bangalore, and I completed my graduation in finance from Bangalore University. The companies I've worked with are Accenture, JP Morgan. So when I talk regarding my journey into the world of stock market or options trading, so it wasn't easy for me to make money and become a profitable trader at the beginning. तो मार्केट आपको हर तरह से आजमाता है. तो मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि एक इंसान 100 बार टूट कर एक सफल ट्रेडर या इन्वेस्टर बन पाता है. Then slowly I started working out on my mistakes and eventually I found the right path towards becoming a successful trader.
Okay, that sounds great. So, for those who are not familiar, could you give us a brief overview of what option trading entails, especially for those looking to buy options? By the way, मैं भी उन्हीं में से हूँ. So एक question मेरे लिए भी applicable होता है.
See, when you talk regarding anything regarding stock markets or maybe future and options trading, so first thing that should strike your mind is what is the risk involved in this. So when you talk regarding risk, so for an option buyer the risk is limited, and for an option seller the risk is unlimited. Thus most of the people prefer buying options. जिसे आपको सुनकर लग रहा होगा कि ऑप्शन बाइंग में रिस्क कम है
जी.
लेकिन आपने ये भी सुना होगा कि रिस्क है तो इश्क है. तो ऑब्वियसली इधर रिस्क के साथ इश्क ऑप्शन सेलर ले रहा है. तो दिस ऑप्शन सेलर ऑलवेज हैज़ एन अपर हैंड इन द ऑप्शंस ट्रेडिंग एज 70 to 80% of the options end up becoming zero.
So, could you share some of your favorite indicators or tools that help you make informed trading decisions?
You would have heard that कि भाव भगवान छे, मतलब जो प्राइस होता है ना, तो प्राइस इज गॉड in trading. So most of the people trade price action. So even I do trade price action, and when it comes to indicators, so you need to understand whether you are an option buyer or seller. If you are an option seller, then if you can identify the trend and the direction of the market, that is good enough. So you can use trend indicators like MACD, Bollinger Band, parabolic SAR or RSI. And if you are an option buyer, you need to add some momentum indicators such as RSI, stochastics, rate of change. So you have to use the combination as per your requirements.
So जैसे अभी हम ऑप्शंस बाइंग ऑप्शन सेलिंग की तो बात कर रहे हैं, बट हो सकता है हमारे कुछ व्यूअर्स हैं उनको समझ में ही ना आए कि ऑप्शंस होता क्या है. तो अगर ब्रीफ में इफ यू कैन एक्सप्लेन कि एग्जैक्टली ऑप्शंस होता क्या है.
Options is like you are buying instead of buying gold. Say example, gold is around trading around 60,000 something like that. Okay, so nowadays like options have started in commodities as well.
Okay.
So you want to trade in gold. Okay, but in order to trade in gold gold futures, the capital required is somewhere around 2 to 3 lakh rupees.
Okay.
But you have an option to buy the gold at 60,000 strike by paying some 20,000 rupees as the margin money. Okay. But the 20,000 that you are paying for the gold at the current market has something called as premium. If it is out of the money, it is the complete amount that you are paying is premium. Say you are buying 60,100 strike, gold is trading at 60,000, and when during the expiry, if gold closes below 60,100, your amount is going to become zero. Okay. So it is nothing but options is a facility that is given for people who do not have sufficient money to trade. by paying some interest. That is nothing but premium.
Okay, okay. I think that's a very good answer. What are some common options buying strategies that beginners can start with?
See, usually the beginners buy a call or put directly. So instead of doing that till the time they are comfortable or identifying the trends, I would say like be a put spread or a bull call spread. That would be the better option, and I'll explain you how it works. See, usually what people do is they buy one strike. Okay, say in the money strike or at the money strike. For example, no, you take Reliance. Okay, the stock of Reliance is trading at 2,000. So 2,000 and you're bullish on the market.
Okay.
So you expect the price to go up. So what you are doing is you are buying a 2,000 call. Let's say 20 rupees. Okay. So if by any chance Reliance closes at 1990 or 1999, your money is going to become zero.
Okay.
So beginners, they are not sure and they are risking the entire 20 rupees. So instead of doing that, what they can do is like, no, they can trade for a small move, like they are buying 2,000 call and they are selling a 2020 or 2040 ka call. The premium that they are paying reduces by some amount. So the risk reduces.
So that was great. Now, moving on to next question. Are there any particular resources, books, or online platforms you recommend for someone looking to enhance their option trading knowledge?
See, there's a lot of information available over the internet. I would recommend some good reads, the books. One is Options as a Strategic Investment, and the other book is Options, Volatility and Pricing,
Okay.
edition 1 and 2 both. And I would recommend people to learn from who are certified professionals or qualified professionals from this industry
Okay.
to have as a mentor.
Yes.
And I think StockGro would be one of the best platform for them to reach out to the market experts.
Yes. Yes, that sounds great. I mean, we have a community section where viewers can go and connect with the experts, get to know what's happening in the market, because experts will help you stay updated on the market trends. So yes, you should definitely download StockGro app and stay tuned on market updates. Let's talk about mistakes that usually beginners make, right? Based on your experience, what are some of the common mistakes that beginners make when venturing into options trading?
See, whether it's options trading or futures trading or investing, okay, and whether it's a beginner or a trader who is experienced, okay. So they need to deal with the three things in stock market. One is fear, the second one is greed, and the emotions. So these are the human behaviors which they need to deal with, and it is very difficult for an human being to control these things. They need to understand what is the amount they are risking, and they need to come out of like see, मार्केट में क्या है, एग्जिट में पैसा बनता है, एंट्री में पैसा नहीं बनता है. एंट्री में आप खरीद रहे हो, बट एग्जिट करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. तो एग्जिट आपको समझना चाहिए. और दूसरी चीज़ होती है कि स्टॉप लॉस. तो ये दोनों अगर सही होती है तो आपका मतलब स्टॉप लॉस है तो फियर ख़त्म हो गया, और एग्जिट पता है तो आपका ग्रीड ख़त्म हो जाता है.
जैसे आपने अपनी एग्जाम्पल्स शेयर किए, या मेरे भी ऐसा पास्ट में कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस है मेरे. सो हाउ डू यू थिंक दीज मिस्टेक्स कैन बी मिटिगेटेड और प्रिवेंटेड?
आपको पता है कि ये पत्थर है इधर सामने, और इससे ठोकर खाओगे तो आपको लगेगा. बट स्टॉक मार्केट में ऐसा होता है ना, मतलब कि आपको समझ में आएगा चीज़ें, समझने में बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. आपको पता है कि ये पत्थर है, उस पत्थर से आप एक नहीं कम से कम 10 बार ठोकर खाओगे. फिर धीरे धीरे समझ में आएगा कि आपको कैसे इस चीज़ को हैंडल करना है. सो इट इज़ नॉट लाइक ईजी, एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, लाइक कि आपको ग्रीड, फियर, इमोशंस हैंडल करना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. सो द बेस्ट आइडिया आई वुड सजेस्ट और आई वुड गिव इज, देखिए मैं कोई भी ट्रेड लेता हूँ तो आई डू नॉट सी द P&L कि प्रॉफिट क्या बन रहा है, लॉस क्या बन रहा है. ठीक है, आई कॉन्सेंट्रेट मोर ऑन द चार्ट्स कि मार्केट क्या बोल रहा है, चार्ट क्या बोल रहा है. चार्ट अगर मेरे को एग्जिट बोल रहा है, मैं एग्जिट कर रहा हूँ. लॉस लेने के लिए बोल रहा है, लॉस ले रहा हूँ. सो by doing this and by concentrating more on charts and not on your profits or losses, तो आपका ह्यूमन बिहेवियर जो होता है ना, मतलब ग्रीड को लेके फियर है, ये सब थोड़ी कम हो जाएगा. you can control these things.
Okay, so you were just talking about charts. So just want to understand कि when you are saying कि we should make decision based on charts, तो usually आप कैसे analyze करते हैं, like weekly basis पे या monthly basis पे या कुछ महीनों की performance पे, how do you take a call?
See, it depends on what kind of trader you are. ठीक है, तो कुछ लोग इंट्राडे ट्रेडर होते हैं जिनको मतलब आज खरीदना है, आज ही निकल जाना है, तो दोज पीपल गो फॉर 5 मिनट्स 10 मिनट्स 15 मिनट्स टाइम फ्रेम.
राइट.
ठीक है, तो उनको आज खरीदना है, आज ही बेचना है, जो भी मिले 2-3 हज़ार का लॉस लिया, 2-3 हज़ार का प्रॉफिट लिया. सो एज ए अभी कोई होता है कि वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल होता है, उनको टाइम नहीं मिलता है, सो दे यूजुअली गो ऑन वीकली चार्ट्स कि भाई हाँ वीकली चार्ट देख के काम कर लेंगे करके. बट क्या होता है ना, मतलब सिमिलर थिंग्स है कि इसमें जैसे आप वीकली चार्ट पे काम कर रहे हो तो आपका स्टॉप लॉस भी वीकली पे बनेगा, तो द रिस्क इन्वॉल्व इज मोर.
राइट.
ठीक है, आपको बड़ा लॉस लेना पड़ेगा, बड़ा प्रॉफिट बनेगा.
राइट.
डेली चार्ट पे करो तो डेली चार्ट 5 मिनट पे हो तो 5 मिनट में स्टॉप लॉस बनता है कि छोटा स्टॉप लॉस डाला, 500,000 गया, 1,500-2,000 बना लिया वैसे.
सो जैसे अब हम बात कर रहे थे कि ऑप्शंस में 90% ट्रेडर्स पैसा लूज़ करते हैं और सिर्फ 10% है जो कि पैसा कमा सकते हैं, राइट. सो आई एम श्योर मैं या हमारे जितने व्यूअर्स हैं हम 10% में आना चाहेंगे, तो इसका क्या चीट शीट है, आपका क्या एडवाइस होगा यहाँ पे?
So you can see that casino is able to make huge money just by having 2% greater edge from other participants in the casino. So all you need to do is, like, in order to become a successful trader or in the 10%, you need to have control over your emotions, or you need to wait for the right opportunity. So you should trade markets only when you understand the pattern that's happening or something. And you cannot catch all the movements in the market. अगर किसी दिन आपको लगता है कि भैया मार्केट 500,000 पॉइंट गिरा, लेकिन आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है, तो आपको काम नहीं करना है उस दिन. जिस दिन आपको समझ में आ रहा है, आपको 500 या 100 पॉइंट 10 पॉइंट 20 पॉइंट जितना समझ में आ रहा है उतना पैसा कर लो, निकल जाओ बस मार्केट से. सो विल बी प्रॉफिटेबल आई गेस.
ठीक है, सो थैंक्स सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग द चीट शीट विद अस. आई होप हमारे व्यूअर्स विल गो बैक व्हेन दे आर planning to invest in options. They will go ahead and listen to sir's advice. So thank you so much for sharing this with us. So what final piece of advice or encouragement would you like to share with the beginners who are eager to dive into options trading?
What I would suggest them is, like, they need to first understand how things work in stock markets, understand the risk involved here, and see, it is a very good opportunity, a great opportunity that is available in stock markets, and there are many people who have left their jobs and doing this as a full-time profession. So this is a very good field wherein there's a lot of money, and there is a scalable business as well. I want them to learn first and then earn. That's it.
Okay, sounds great. Okay, so that was the last question. Now we'll move to the last round, which is called rapid fire. I'll ask you a few questions and आपको जल्दी उसके आंसर्स देने हैं. Okay? So questions बहुत simple है. Name 2 stock market books you recommend.
Options as a strategic investment, and the other book is ADX Excellence.
Okay. Name 3 stock market influencers you admire. It doesn't have to be YouTube or Instagram influencers. In general, like people who have influenced you in life.
See, I would say, like, one of the world's greatest trader was Jesse Limo.
Name the most important trait required for stock market success.
See, first thing is, like, the belief system, I said. So you should have that confidence or the belief on your research.
Belief on research. Yeah. Okay, so that would be your answer. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you so much for joining us. It was a great session.
Yeah, thank you. Same here.
So Vimal has shared some interesting insights with us today. If you are interested in options trading, take it slow. Learn, understand what's happening in the market, and keep educating yourself. Till then, stay tuned for more episodes.